Harpreet and Shivang are ready in their respective lanes from lane number 1 to 8. It's all to go for, and I can assure you of that, there will be little breathing space for either athlete because of the rich presence of the talent that they have. The prayers are on, and they want all sorts of energies on their side because of the sheer gravity of the race that is going to start soon. And with the shot of the gun, they all started their campaign looking in bright touch from the middle. Right from the beginning is Ayush Dabas, who is setting up a good pace and getting close attention from Ritesh Ethapi of Maharashtra as well. From the outside, Harpreet Gill, Nitin Kumar, they are also posing a threat, and they also want to be in the contention. Shivang Mishra of Uttar Pradesh in lane number 8. You can see that he is also in wrist touch, but lagging behind is Rishabh Mishra of Telangana, but something has to be done from that man. Anything can happen. Ritesh Ethape of Telangana is also looking in good touch there. This could be anyone's race, and as we are reaching toward the home straight, then the picture will get clear and clear. And it's Ayush Dabas who is looking quite promising, and Ayush Dabas, he is getting all the attention. The crowd is also showing it their involvement. Ayush Dabas looking quite impressive in his touch, and Surinder Silvamani, he is giving him some tough times, but Ayush Dabas has some other ideas in his mind, and he's going to cross the finish line at the gold medal position. What a finish from this guy. He soaked up all the pressure that was emerging from the nearest lane number 5. Surinder Silvamani of Tamil Nadu and Ritesh Ethape of Maharashtra were quite impressive, and they constantly shadowed him. Winner is
representing Uttar Pradesh.
Shivang,
Silver medal
excuse me, is
goes to Sonu Chaudhary.
Sonu Chaudhary